Hi Brainbox. Welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. In this video, we will continue our discussion about pronouns. We will now discuss in depth the possessive case of nouns and pronouns. But before we continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted for more review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. We have learned in our previous videos that the possessive case of nouns and pronouns shows ownership or possession of an object. To begin with, let's first discuss the possessive forms of nouns. For singular nouns and plural nouns that do not end in s, the possessive case is formed by adding apostrophe s. For plural nouns ending in s, only the apostrophe is added to the word. In compound nouns, an apostrophe s is added to the last word. Another way of indicating possession in compound nouns depends on whether it indicates joint or separate ownership. In joint ownership, the apostrophe s shall be added to the last noun used. On the other hand, separate ownership shall place the apostrophe s at each noun present. It is worth noting that when there is separate ownership and an apostrophe s is used, the modified noun must be in plural form. We can also form the possessive case by adding possessive suffix to the appositive. When a noun is followed by an appositive, the possessive suffix must go with the appositive. Moving on, let's discuss the possessive form of pronouns. The possessive case of indefinite pronouns is formed by adding the apostrophe s, but the pronoun it takes only an s. Since we have thoroughly discussed how to form possessive nouns and pronouns, let us try to expound our knowledge by answering this practice set. Number 1. The blank room was filled with flowers during blank day. A. Women's Valentine's. B. Women's Valentine's. C. Women Valentine's. D. Woman Valentine. In this sentence, the correct answer is A. Both the words women and Valentine should be with apostrophe s to indicate ownership. Number 2. The school is preparing for blank upcoming anniversary. A. It's. B. It's. C. It. The correct answer is its. The pronoun its is actually referring to the school. Number 3. Blank. Mother bakes pastries for the wedding. A. There. B. There. C. Theirs. To correctly complete the sentence, the possessive pronoun there must be added at the start of the sentence. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.